Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
Today we are going to get some groceries from Walmart. And stay tuned because we're also going to get groceries from Sam's Club.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so as you saw, last week we bought Cheetos. And we don't normally buy them but every other week. But we're not going to be grocery shopping while our son and daughter-in-law are visiting. So we're going ahead and getting that because that way he'll have it for the next week. Okay, and as you know, we always get 2 Pringles every week for our son. And again, just like we said for Joel with his Cheetos, we're gonna get 4 cans so it will last him the whole 2 weeks. And it's $1.96. And we're grabbing some of these, just pork rinds, just so I can have something for a little snack from time to time. I am not sure what price it is. It looks like there's some a different flavor that's $1.96 maybe, so it might be that price. I'm not sure. And since our son and daughter-in-law are coming for a visit, we asked what would they like while they were here, and they said cookies and cream fudge because they don't get to get that at Christmas because they don't live close to us. So, I was requested to make more cookies and cream fudge so that they could get some. So we're grabbing 1 thing of Oreos that. I guess that's $4.58. We'll see. We grabbed some burritos because we're going to have some cilantro lime chicken, and we usually use the leftovers the second night and make burritos out of the leftovers. And I also grabbed some ginger tea. That's I'm putting the price on the screen, but it was $3.48 for that. I do ginger, peppermint, and detox teas. And then this is actually for our son that lives with us. He has trouble sleeping all the time. He tried the sleepy time tea and that was too drowsy inducing. He couldn't function then, so he's looking for something that's a little on the middle of the road, gonna make him sleepy. So we're gonna try bedtime tea. I've used that one before and I was able to still function, so I'm sure that'll work. We're gonna buy one of these 1-pound blocks of sharp cheddar cheese. And it says it's $3.68. We're grabbing 1 thing, a half and half, and looks like that says it's $1.78. We're buying 2 of these, and they're $1.78 each. The other request that we had from our son was for baked chicken. It's something that he requests just about every time he comes home for a visit. And we will link a video. We've actually shared that one before. But it's $2.78 per pound, and we got these will be 2 pieces, and there's 5 of us. But Joel and I usually just share one, so that's why 4 will be enough for us. And we're grabbing some grits for Joel for breakfast. It says $1.34, but we scanned it. It's $2.15. $2.18, so they don't have that label right. All right, and we're grabbing 1 thing of sweetened condensed milk. That's what you use in your cookies and cream fudge, and it's $1.94. And then we're getting 1 of these. That's for a recipe, and it says it's $3.88. Okay, he scanned it. It does say $3.88. So there you go. Some more pasta sauce. We always get the Ragu Simply right here. And it's $1.96. Here, this is what the jar looks like. There we go. I'm grabbing 1 sweet potato, just a little one, just a little guy. See, he's not big at all. But look at this. Just gotta show you this. Oh my word! Look how big that thing is, and it looks like an actual acorn squash or something. Okay, anyway, 58 cents per pound. Okay, and I'm gonna get some baby carrots for 98 cents, and then I'm getting the last bag. I'm not. They're right here too, but they just don't have a price down there. But anyway, 98 cents. Now, these are 2 heads of broccoli. It says $1.87 per pound, which I think is down from what it was, which hopefully is right because the last time we were charged more than what it said on the labels. Pack of celery, and it's
$1.74.
$1.74.
All right, so there's our Walmart haul. It was $65.66.
That's right.
And now we're headed into Sam's.
And we're grabbing one of these local things of honey. I use that in my teas. And $16.98. But it lasts a really long time. Okay, we're grabbing one thing of Pepsi for our sons. That he wasn't supposed to get a new case until next week, but again, like we said earlier, in next weekend when our son and daughter-in-law are here, we're not going to grocery shop, so we're picking up things that we also would have bought next week. It's $14.28. We're grabbing a pack of these 2 French breads for $3.98. That's pretty much, I think it would be a few cents cheaper if you bought them at Walmart, but these are generally longer. But Walmart just didn't have any today. They were out, so we came here. And that's all right, because our son eats them all. He puts them in the refrigerator to make it last a while. So.
All right, so that's our Sam's haul, and we're going to put the total right here because I haven't done the math yet. I don't remember what it was. So that's going to be our total for Sam's, our total for Walmart, our total for this week. And then this is what we have left. That's out of $600 budget for 3 adults.
However, the son and daughter-in-law are coming for a visit, as you may have noted several times when I said that in the video. They did not get us a list of things that they might want to eat for like breakfasts and lunches and stuff until we already have bought our groceries, which was like 2 seconds ago after I walked out of Sam's Club. There he come with, yeah, we'd probably like to have some half and half and some this and this. And so we'll probably be going back for a few more things. So after that, that'll be all that we spend for the rest of the month. And what's left will go into our household essential sinking fund. Like I said, I know that the text he just sent said stuff like Cinnamon Toast Crunch and stuff like that. So there'll be an additional amount that we're going to add on. But when we're finished with that, that'll be the rest for the month.
All right. So let's go ahead to the meal plan for the week.
Now, as we've noted several weeks in a row, we had freezer meals that we're going to do a whole video on. And believe it or not, we're still working through that, even though it was supposed to be 7 days. It just leftovers and stuff. It lasted longer than we thought it would. Yay! It's a good thing, right? So we're going to skip ahead to the day that our son and daughter-in-law are coming, which is actually when the freezer meals are pretty much going to be ran its course. They asked for baked chicken, which I mentioned in the grocery store is something that we have shared on the channel before. It's probably like maybe our 3rd or 4th recipe ever on the channel. I will link that down in the description. It's really good, and it's requested by our son every time he comes for a visit, just about.
Yep. And then the next 4 nights, we're either going to be in a theme park or we're going to eat out. So
yeah,
nothing to say there.
Yeah. So the day that they leave, we're going to go back to eating at home because we'll have eaten out every day for several days. That's where we're going to pick up with that teriyaki chicken that we've been saying for like 3 weeks now.
And then we're going to do taco rice casserole.
Well, that was one of the freezer meals, isn't it? Anyway, that's okay. Let's just say it this way. Oh, and he just said taco rice casserole, and you're like, I don't remember that. That's one of the freezer meals. It makes double batches, so it'll be another one. So now we've just given you a hint of one of the freezer meals. Then we're gonna just do some grilled chicken on a little grill that we have at our house, and just throw some veggies with it. Nice healthy meal after eating out all weekend.
Then we're going to do pulled pork, which is some leftovers we have in the freezer already.
That's right. And then we're going to have homemade pizza.
And then we're going to have leftovers the next night.
From the pulled pork. Yeah. So now you may be wondering what was with this little recipe alert icon that you saw a couple of times throughout the video. That means that is a video that we have shared in the past. And if you look down in our description, you will probably find the link to it. If you did not see that, that means we've never made it, and you are welcome to vote on that as a recipe of the week, and you'll hopefully see that in an upcoming video in a couple of weeks.
All right, so drop that comment below. Let us know what you'd like to vote on for the recipe of the week. We'll get that done for you and coming up here pretty soon. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos. Just never know, we're gonna drop one in. So hit that notifications bell, hit all notifications so that you're notified when there's a new video ready for you to view. With that said, that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.